Hey, it's Dave from Bullpen Cycles, and wife is away, so it's kitchen day. Actually, our kitchen is undergoing a bit of renovation, so I might get away with this anyway. Today we are messing with crankshaft seals. Now, crankshaft seals on the Bultaco, they're a little different. You don't just pull them out of the crankcase. Well, you do for the counter shaft, but this is the main seal, and they come in a little holder. And the holder has a little lip in it. And you can't just pry them out because of that lip. You can see this one's been damaged, but it's still usable. We are going to put our crank seal holders into our stew. Let that come to a boil. Then we add a little flavoring, some salt, some pepper, and while that's boiling, last night I put my crank seals in the freezer. Now normally I thought that would be weird. It might make them too hard, and they might not want to press in, but our goal is not to have to press them in. And the reason is because they go in backwards. With this seal holder, the lip is on the outside, so you want the closed portion of the seal to be there. Means you have to put them in backwards where the spring open side of the seal would go. And I don't like hammering on that open side because it's much more fragile. The wall, I don't want to damage it. So our goal is to try to get them in just by pressing them in with our hands. That's our goal. This is so I don't burn myself when I hold the seal holder, but unfortunately I got to keep one hand free so I can press them in. What I'm hoping is, I know this helps to get them in. I'm hoping we have one here I need to press out. I'm hoping I can get the seal out the same way so I don't damage the holder. Otherwise, you got to make a little jig and press them out. So, just a few minutes more. That's boiling. We'll turn it down to low. And try our first seal. Our crank seal popsicle. Oh, I gotta put my hand in that. I don't want to do that. No, thank you. All right. Oh, gee, I got my glove stuck in it. Crap. That was dumb. Well, that means it should go in real easy. So far, I'm burning my hand. It's almost in all the way. Boy, that went in easy. Now this Bultaco, it takes 2 seals. Some of them are single seal and some of them are double. So now we get to do it again. Got our seal popsicle. One more time. Oh! Done. Dun dun dun. So now, I want to see if I can get the other one out without wailing on it with a hammer. And for that, I think I'm going to use 2 gloves. Ow, 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 ow. I don't know that's going to work. Ooh, that's hot. Perfect! And I didn't damage it. I like that. Do no harm. This is to the Bandito, the Gas Monkey Garage Bandito that we bought. I had it running, but it was smoking really bad. So we're gonna do this is on the clutch side. We'll put that in and hopefully you'll get to see it run. Success.